What's up, everybody? My name is Darren, and welcome to Stock Mafia. All right, red day today in the market. That's okay. Just remember this. We have hit our bottom. And when I say we, I mean AMC and GME and the rest of the heavily shorted stocks. Okay? So, has the market hit the bottom? Absolutely not. So when you look at the market, just go like this and say, I'm at the bottom. And I know everybody wants a squeeze to happen tomorrow. Everybody wants the MOAS to happen tomorrow. Everybody wants the rip to happen tomorrow. It could. It could happen later today. It could happen after hours. We just don't know. But I will tell you that I found an indicator. Article came across to me from Market Watch saying that Apple Computers, or Apple Inc., was the most heavily shorted stock in the market right now, above Tesla. Everybody's like, oh no, this can't happen. Not Apple. That's our baby, the American company, the greatest American company. Guys, you know what it also is? It's one of the most heavily held stocks by hedge funds and institutions. So if it's being heavily shorted, what does that tell us? It tells us that there's going to be a big sell-off. Now, maybe I don't know, for instance, the big hedge fund, Citadel, maybe they're playing at both sides, right? Maybe they're banking that other hedge funds are going to have to sell off their positions and they'll make money on the short. Okay? Maybe that's what they're doing. Or it's just, listen, all hedge funds aren't bad. It's just that the ones, the criminals, the ones that we know about, they're the bad ones in this market. They're the bad ones. So if you're trying to, get one up on these guys, short the stuff they own because they're going to have to pay their bills. I mean, you look at this list, it's got, we got Apple. We have Microsoft. We have Amazon. There's Johnson & Johnson. I mean, these heavily held stocks, if we put those on our list and we put them on our watch list and we watch if they start trickling down and having major drops, maybe they'll try to do it slowly so we don't notice. The news won't tell you about it. I think it's funny that the Market Watch even put this article out. It's probably going to disappear soon. It's amazing. I mean, look at Apple. Apple right now, if we look at their cash, and I'm looking at my notes right now, do you know that Apple has $193.64 billion in cash as reserves? I mean, they can buy any company they want. They can do whatever they want. They can pay off AMC's debt, right? I mean, they can do anything they want. That's why it's such a great company to own, because you can't short Apple. You can short it in the short term, but you're not going to drive them out of business. The nefarious things that they were trying to do to AMC and GME, which will never happen, they'll never be able to do that to Apple. But in the short term, when there's a quick sell-off and they have to get liquidity and they have to meet margin calls, oh yeah, Apple's going to be sold, Amazon's going to be sold, Johnson & Johnson is going to be sold. And obviously this is not financial advice, right? But it's plain as day what's going on here. And this is another catalyst for us, for the people that have been watching this market and having our money stolen from us. It's for the people in 2008 that had their money stolen from them. Okay? They stole money from us. Just remember that. So have we reached our bottom? Yes. We have reached our bottom. AMC, GME, we're like in that range. We're not going down anymore. Be very surprised if that happens. The other guys, the ones on that list, oh yeah, they're going down. They're going down in the short term. And when we get our money and they go down, we're going to buy it all back up, right? We have to be careful about that, but we're going to buy at the bottom. So if we get back into this market and you make that decision, I mean, to be honest with you, I don't know how I feel about that right now. I don't blame anybody if they say, I'm done. I got my 100,000. I got my 500,000. I got my 3 million. I'm done. Right? I get that. I support that. I understand it. It's frustrating. You get mad. I mean, you get mad. You want to punch somebody. You just want to just punch somebody. Whoever that may be, right? Whoever that may be, you just want to knock them out. Just want to and pop. That's all you want to do. And I get that. I get angry when I'm trading. I'd be yelling at myself. Just here by myself, trading, staring at the monitor, screaming and yelling. But when we win, we're going to be screaming and yelling even higher, right? So, listen, we got to stay positive. We got to stay strong. Have a great day. It's a red day, but it's a red day for them. Okay? I'll see you on the next one.